welcome to the channel. Today we are discussing the Infinix Hot 12 and the questions on everyone's mind. Should you buy it in 2023? No. But before telling the reason of no, let me introduce you the Infinix Hot 12. The Infinix Hot 12 is a budget smartphone that was released in 2021. It has a 6.6-inch HD Plus display, a MediaTek Helio G25 processor, which runs on Android 12 with XOS 7.6 on top. It has a 5 mAh battery, a triple rear camera setup, and a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now let's jump into the pros of the Infinix Hot 12. Firstly, it's incredible affordable, making it a great choice for those on a tight budget. It also has a big battery which will last you a full day of usage. The triple rear camera setup is also a nice addition, especially for the price. Now let's talk about the cons of Infinix Hot 12. The display is only HD+, so it's not the sharpest screen out there. The processor is also on the slower side, so it might struggle with demanding tasks. And lastly, it runs on a custom version of Android, so it might not receive updates as quickly as other smartphones. The display of Infinix Hot 12 is not much brighter. Like in direct sunlight, you can't see the screen easily. But the design of Infinix Hot 12 is very impressive, very glossy and very shiny. Now, let me explain why I am not preferring it to buy for gaming. Because Infinix Hot 12 has a software-based gyro, which degrades the experience of gamers. And secondly, the cameras which are not up to the mark. Let me show you some shots which I have taken in different conditions, and you choose which one do you like. Let's jump into the camera test. So, should you buy the Infinix Hot 12 in 2023? It really depends on your needs and budget. If you are looking for a cheap smartphone that can handle basic tasks, then the Infinix Hot 12 is a good option. But if you are looking for a more powerful phone with a better display, you might want to consider other options. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you decide whether the Infinix Hot 12 is the right smartphone for you. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.